Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down and find backup and reset option, and then tap on reset phone. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it. And of course we will have to verify our identity with the pattern PIN or password, or as you can see with the fingerprint. So let me do it and simply tap on reset network settings. And as you can see, we have to wait a little bit, and then we will have this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.